Hello and welcome everybody. TLRY stock on 8 December. We can go for steps for this video. Okay, we can say that this is the price that we want on TLRY. So according to what we see here is going to be on 15 minutes update, and we should take care about whether this is going to be the thing that is going to be informative about TLRY stock or not. So we can say that there is an intersection, and then we can say that is the movement that we want, and then we can have the price prediction here that has been produced from this part. Then we can say about also the price that would can be reached here about TLRY would decrease next time. This is what I could explain about the 15 minutes update on TLRY, and it's not going to be a different from the not going to be different from the technical analysis that what we was explained on 1 day update or 4 or 3 hours update.